Good morning. So we had a little bit of rain last night. It didn't rain very long, but just a little bit. And I was very satisfied with my steps. When I came out here to look, the water was beating up on top of the steps, so that's good. That means the water's not soaking in anymore and the weatherproofing worked. The Thompson water seal. So it didn't get its full 24 hours and I don't think it's completely sealed yet, but the sun will hit it again this afternoon and dry real good. So take a little look here. The beads of water finally dried up. Well, most of it, but there's some beads right there of water still. I think this is really going to help it last. So this Thompson water seal, you can also use it on concrete. And Chris had power washed some of the concrete also the other day. And so I started on it this morning. And I did just the front part of the steps with the water seal so that we can still step off the side of the steps and not step on it. And I'll do the rest tomorrow. But I did these 3 concrete footings this morning. But Chris didn't get those over there power wash. I think we're gonna wait until tomorrow and make sure this is dried really good. And then he's going to power wash the rest of the concrete. And there was some of the outside of the steps that we didn't do. And we're gonna do that also and see how the weather is for the next couple of days and see if we can go ahead and seal the sides of the steps. But I really just wanted to make sure we got the steps done because they were rotting away very quickly.
No cockroach.
Did he get just pushed into the ground?
Oh, no, I think. See him? Nope. Yeah. Goodbye, Mr. Cockroach.
Okay, we got the fence finished. I'm going to do a little rundown for you guys. This is one of the logs from the cashew tree. We cleared out a lot of vegetation too. Got a pretty good walkway going on through here. This is also from the cashew tree. Oh, there was another one from the cashew tree that I passed. Right, looking pretty good. Okay, Ashanti brought me some stewed cocoa plums, which I've never had before, and they're really good. I think they have like cinnamon and sugar in them, and just a second, I have a, this is like a cocoa plum off the tree, but these are stewed and they're cold and they still have the pits in them, so you got to be careful, but they're so good and I love trying something new. Thank you, Ashanti.